Hi, if anybody has a gorilla chef, I accidentally sold mine to this person, and now I can't get it back. So if you have one, please, I'll give you anything. I'll give you any of my fruits, any of my pets except for the food ones or the griffin. I'll give you anything, please. Please, just I just want my gorilla chef back. Here are some stuff that I will give you. Bald eagle, triceratops, orangutan, peacock. I will give you Stegosaurus, triceratops, junk box, anything. I'll even give you the peach wasp if you don't have it. Please help me. And this is what it looks like. Please help.